everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our 3-gallon air compressor. Adding a reliable air compressor to your garage arsenal will not only dramatically increase the assortment of tools you can bring on to tackle a job, but will also allow you to complete more projects faster. With a maximum working pressure of 150 psi, our 3-gallon air compressor can run pneumatic polishers, impact wrenches, die grinders, nail guns, air sanders, paint guns, air ratchets, and more. You'll love how versatile this compressor is. This baby consists of a 2-cylinder pump powered by a 2-horsepower 1700 RPM motor that is capable of delivering 4.5 CFM of flow at 90 psi. It provides enough juice to easily run our hard-hitting USAG magnesium impact wrench or our Boss G10 pneumatic orbital, but is still surprisingly quiet. It also works phenomenally with our air pulse blowgun, analog tire inflating gun, or our air foamer sudsing gun. Talk about versatility. All that power is packed into a 68-pound compressor, meaning you can move it to wherever the action is, around the garage, the yard, or off-site. The whole thing measures 20 by 20 by 15 inches, making it easy to be set on a workbench or shelf, and thus opening up valuable garage floor space. The compressor also features a heavy-duty roll cage, and I especially like the integrated cord wrap. It's nondescript but very effective. Just loop the cord and you're ready to move the compressor to your next job. No matter how you look at it, our 3-gallon air compressor is ready for action. Be it tire swapping, paint correction, deck maintenance, engine assembly, suspension work, or any project that could benefit from air power. Thank you for watching. For more information on our 3-gallon air compressor, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.